The footage you are about to see is not easy to watch. It was recorded by hidden camera during July of 2001. This is the basement where Malish and 3 other monkeys are kept. 3 floors underground, a small room, no ventilation. 4 monkeys in small cages, with nothing to do but stare at the blank wall. For over 3 years, these monkeys are caged here for an experiment in the lab of Dr. Ehud Zohari at the Department of Neurobiology, the Hebrew University in Jerusalem, Israel. For over 3 years, Malish and his friends are kept in a state of constant thirst so that they will cooperate with the researchers. On weekends and holidays, they are deprived of food as well. Covered by a cardboard box, Malish is taken to the operating room. In the operating room are Tanya Orlov and Volodya Yakovlev, 2 researchers in Dr. Zohari's lab. They are prepping Malish for the operation. There is no veterinarian in the room. We will spare you the entire operation, which lasted several hours, and in which they removed Malish's scalp, drilled holes in his skull, and installed instruments in his brain, fastened with 20 screws. We will not show you how they inserted a metal wire into his left eye to align the eyeball. During the operation, Malish was not fully anesthetized. Tanya and Volodya used anesthetics that expired 6 years earlier. They also used the wrong dosage. Here is Malish after surgery. Malish, born on the Mazor farm in Israel, forcefully separated from his mother when he was 10 months old to be sold to the Hebrew University. The 3 other monkeys, Jedi, Fred, and Simon, are also from the Mazor farm, and they also underwent this operation. It is a routine operation, common in experimental brain research. Throughout the years of the experiment, electrodes are inserted into the brains of young Malish and his friends through the chambers affixed to their skulls. Throughout the years of the experiment, the monkeys are immobilized for long hours in a restraining chair. Their heads are screwed to the chair so they cannot move even an inch. We waited expectantly for the results of the experiment on these 4 monkeys. An article was published. The conclusion? Monkeys tend to categorize images by their ordinal number. Another conclusion was that more experiments are required. Monkeys tend to categorize images by their ordinal number. and more experiments are required. These days, Dr. Zohari is conducting a similar experiment, this time on 6 monkeys. Malish. Presented by the Israeli Society for the Abolition of Vivisection. Please contact us at isav@